Welcome to the Python class. So in this class, we are going to discuss about Python. What are the applications of Python? Now, Python is used in different areas. For example, web and internet development. Graphical user applications can also be created using Python. For scientific and numeric calculations, Python is used. For different type of software development, Python is used. Even for education purpose, Python can be used. For business application, Python can be used. Games can also be developed. For accessing programs from another computer, Python can be used. Database can also be accessed. What are the reasons behind the demand for Python? Primarily data science. For data science, primarily two languages are used. One is R, another one is Python. Next, for if you want to clarify any doubt regarding Python, huge community is also available. For machine learning, Python can be used. Already we discussed. Next, simplicity. Learning Python is very simple. Salary is also high for Python professionals. Huge libraries are available. Multi-purpose. Python can be used to solve different type of purposes. For automation, Python can be used. Jobs and growth. Here we see which are the top companies use Python. Amazon, IBM, Nokia. These are very, very important companies using. Through this screen, we can see the salary range for different computer professionals. High salary is given for Python professionals. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to perform simple arithmetic operations using Python. Now we know the importance of learning Python. How to perform simple arithmetic operations? First, we are going to see how to add two numbers. For example, 5 plus 3. 10 minus 7. 10 into 3. 10 slash 3. 10 double slash 3. There is a slight difference. Here, if you give 10 slash 3, it gives accurate result. If you give double slash 3, we get only integer number. After dividing, if you want remainder only, you give percentage operator. It is called as modulus. So remainder is, if you divide 10 by 3, you will get the remainder. Suppose if you want to find the power value 10, double as 16, which means 10 square. Now we have learned how to perform simple arithmetic operations. Next, we are going to learn the importance of how to learn Python online. Now, we may raise one question. Is it possible learning any computer language using through online? Yes, that is possible. Learning any language directly is very comfortable. When students and teachers are not able to meet directly, we are forced to choose online education. Through online also, we can learn Python. How? Now see this online course. The name of the course is Python Programming. So this is the course introduction video. If you click on this, course introduction will be given by the teacher. So this is course introduction. Learning outcomes. What are the benefits of this course? The syllabus of this course is Python variables and operators, control structure. Okay, we have given all the things up to graphical user interface and Flash web program. Here, every student has to give self-introduction. Students are giving self-introduction. If you click on this, syllabus and schedule will be downloaded. We have given the syllabus and schedule in PDF. Next, this is first chapter. Name of the first chapter is Python variables and operators. There are many chapters. This is chapter number 1. Chapter number 2 is control structures, functions, strings, collection data type, classes and objects, exception handling, SQL, CSV, data visualization, graphical user interface. So we have given many topics. What are the things we have given for each chapter? First chapter is, as I already told, Python variables and operators. Here you will get the introduction about Python. Next, if you want to learn about Python output and input, you have to click on this one. Then you can learn Python output and input through video. Already we have uploaded this video in YouTube. From here we have given link. So this is the video. Python grammar, Python operators, Python data type. So these are all videos. If you want to learn key terms, important terms relevant to this chapter, you click on this one. So these are some of the important chapters, important terms. Here we have given the notes in PDF form, Python introduction, Python grammar, Python operators, operator precedence. You can download, these are the PDF files. Next, to test your knowledge on the Python introduction, first chapter, variables and operators, we have given games also. So this is one of the games, how to become a genius in Python. So which operator, for example, the question is, which operator is also called as comparative operator? There are 4 options: logical, relational, assignment, arithmetic. I feel relational is the correct answer. So if I choose correct answer, it will be jump to 1 step up. Now I choose the relational. Since I have chosen correct answer, it just jumped to one step up. Okay, my points are increased. Suppose if I choose the wrong answer, what will happen? Which of the following is not a token? Now I choose interpreter. So you see what happens if you choose wrong answer. It is correct. Which of the following is not a logical operator? I choose assignment. So if you choose correct answer, it will go 1 step up. Otherwise, it will. Now I quit from this program. Next, Python programming. Another game is Snakes and Ladder game. You can play this game also. Next, these are all quiz. Variables and operators quiz 1. For the first chapter, we have given minimum 150 questions. For example, here only we have given 100 questions. Now we are going to learn how to play, how to attempt quiz. So this is first question. The Python prompt indicates the interpreter is ready to accept instructions. Now I choose this answer. The symbol is used to print more than one item on a single line. I choose comma. Which of the following character is used to give comments in Python? I choose the first option, has. Which of the following is not a keyword? Operators. Which of the following is not a logical operator? Assignment. Which of the following is not a token? Which of the following circuit is used to create Python program? Control N. Which operator is also called as comparative operator? Which operator is also called as conditional operator? Ternary. Who developed Python? Here, intentionally, I choose wrong answer. Finish attempt. After answering all the questions, we have to choose finish attempt. Within few seconds, you will get answer. Submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. Immediately, we get the results, including time, date, state, finish, completed, time taken. So how many minutes and seconds we have taken? Great, 9 out of 10, 90%. Right hand side, you can see all the questions. Here, it gets marked green color for first 9 questions. But for the 10th question, we can see red color, which means we have chosen wrong answer. Then very easily we can identify for which are the questions we have chosen wrong answer. For example, for question number 10, wrong answer is we have chosen wrong answer, Bill Gates. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is we don't want. So after appearing any question, any quiz, immediately we can know the results. Next time, we will get high marks. At the end of the chapter, we have given assignments. So these are the questions. The students has to write the answer for these are the questions. Students has to submit the assignments through online only, through the website only. After the submission by the students, teacher will evaluate. If students have any doubt regarding the subject, they have to post their doubt in discussion forum. If I click on this one, here they have to give the title. Here they have to type the doubts in detail. Finally, they have to click on post to forum. Then the doubt will be posted in the discussion forum. So what are the activities in the class? Firstly, the teacher has to teach the lesson. If the students have any doubt, they have to clarify the doubts. Finally, the teacher will conduct the exam. All the facilities are available in this website. So it is possible learning Python through online. Thank you.